So as you can see, I've started pulling the bike apart. I've taken the tank and air filter off just to see if there's any leaks from the other day from that hissing noise. And then I'm just draining the oil out. I'm going to take the case off. Next I have to drain the water, undo all the bolts, down all the way around there, undo the clutch cable, and then I can have a look inside. Hopefully we can see what the noise is. Now the cover's off, I've taken out all the screws and removed it. I ended up leaving the water pump off because I just wanted to get it out of the way to see what was wrong first. I had a look at all the gears, they didn't look too bad. And then I was having a look at the water pump, it was turning it around and it felt a bit tight still. And then when I got to a certain spot, just around here, you can see the tooth is either or somehow melted and it's sticking out the side, so it's been rubbing past the metal as it's been turning, causing that squealing. Fortunately it wasn't going to wear it off, so it looks like I'll be up for a new water pump before I can put it all back together and try it again. I'll have to take the water pump off and actually see what was causing it to be a bit stiff, because it should spin a lot freer than that. But everything else looks pretty good. All the cogs were replaced and clutch plates replaced. So yeah, another update once I put a new water pump in. Thanks for watching.